Today we're going to be installing a new shifter on my 2015 Yamaha R3. This guy right here, actually this whole assembly right here, I bought a new one, all OEM. Link in the description if you want to go get it. So I dropped my bike a couple times after some slow speed maneuvers trying to make a U-turn. And after falling, this part bent in that way, so I wasn't able to shift it. So what I had to do was kind of bend it out. So there'd be some clearance here, and this shifter wouldn't be hitting this rod right here. I'm thinking this might be a little bit weaker now since I've had to bend it a couple times. So I bought a new one. Shifter assembly is installed nice and tight. Now we're just gonna go take it for a test ride.